What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Buchanan Motorsports. Today we're going on a little bit of a rescue mission. We're taking the old F-350 right there behind me. We're taking the Big Tex gooseneck. We're headed from Houston, Texas to Marble Falls, Texas, which is on the other side of Austin, about a 4-hour drive from here. We're going on go pick up my daughter's car. Started acting up on her this weekend over the holiday, and she didn't want to drive it back, and we didn't want to risk tearing it up, so we're gonna go throw it on the gooseneck, bring it back to Houston, and start diagnosing it. We may have a video for you there. If we do, we'll bring you along, but let's get it. All right, guys, we're at Buc-ee's. Of course, you got to stop at Buc-ee's. I like this kind of service. Daughter paying for the fuel. Ouch. Yeah, she ain't liking that so much. 474, and we're about to get back on the road. Everything looking good. Check the tires all the way around. Everything's looking okay for now. So we are back at it. Yes, we are getting close to where we're going. We're currently just pulling into Marble Falls. Beautiful lake here. And we are about 10 miles out still. So got a little bit left to go, but we are getting close. Get this old car loaded up. Turn around and head back home. All right, we're getting ready to pull up here. Do a little maneuvering, get down in here, allegedly. Yeah, we'll have to back off in here. I guess there's the car back up in there. So let's do a little jockeying. This thing turned around. All right, guys, we got the ramps down. She's gonna get the car flipped around. We're gonna get this thing loaded up. We'll get our straps out, strap it down, do a quick inspection of everything one more time before we hit the road again. And we'll be on our way back to Houston before you know it. All right, guys, I'm gonna flip these ramps up real quick, and then I'm gonna step back and look. We'll get this trailer centered up. Excuse me, get the car on the trailer centered up so that we have a balanced load. All right, back up a little bit. Nice and slow. Back up. Stop. All right, let me walk around and make sure that's going to look good all the way around. I don't want to get too far on that tongue. It'll beat us to death on the way home. Got a little bit forward of the center line, just a little bit forward of the axles. Truck doesn't look like it's in a bind. I've got airbags, so it'll take care of any kind of squatting. But I think that looks pretty good right there. I'm going to call that good, and then we'll get the straps out and strap this thing down. All right, guys, I don't know if you've ever used these type of straps before. They are very handy, quick and easy. Not too many moving parts. Let's see if I can get you set up right here. This thing laid out back here. Again, checking everything on the back side to make sure you're not gonna rub your strap through, cause yourself a major problem with an unsecured load. You don't want to get into that scenario whatsoever. This particular style is a chain setup. Run through there. The rest of it acts like a regular ratchet strap, which is pretty convenient. We're gonna take care of all our tails and all that here shortly. I want to get the last one done. We'll come back and go walk around and make sure everything's secure, and we're not gonna have any issues. Let's knock this last one out here. All right. All right. So you got to back it up just a little bit. Oh, parking brake. All right, we're gonna let them out.
I'm just gonna pull in here.
All right, come on.
Push that hurt.
All right. All right. Check this thing out. Make sure the parking brake's engaged on it. I'll address our tails. Get our box squared away. One more safety check of the trailer. We'll check it all out, make sure it's all good. And then we'll be back on the road, back to Houston. All right, she's gonna do a kind of a little tug test. Rock it just a little bit, make sure we're good. Kind of stomp it. It's pretty good. I don't see nothing wrong with that. Hopefully we're gonna take it easy. Shouldn't be a big problem on the way home. I think we're good. Again, we're gonna check all of our tires, truck and trailer. What?
No way I could hold out. I put the brakes. It was like.
We're gonna check the truck and the trailer tires. Make sure everything looks good, secured down. We got our ramp secured with a strap here, so it don't go nowhere. Parking brakes on the car. License plate still there. Good quick safety inspection. She's centered up pretty good. I think we'll be all right. We get the airbags pumped up in the truck a little bit and go from there. Start heading back home. All right, guys, we pulled over about 2-3 miles down the road, gas station, clean the bugs off the windshield. Gives us a good opportunity to check everything over one more time before we get on the highway and really get after it. We're not gonna go crazy. Obviously, we're got too big of a cargo load to do stupid things, but we are gonna make sure that we're good to go. Nice and tight. Everything looks good. Not slipping off. So, all right, everything looks good. Got the airbags pumped up, about 35 pounds in them. Starting off, we'll see what that does. Let's get back to Pasadena.
Turn right on Ranch to Market 1431.
Yes, ma'am. 3 hours, 39 minutes, 230 miles. Arriving at 9:51. That's without us stopping and eating any type of dinner. So
Continue straight for
we're
6.3
gonna
miles
get
to
it.
US 281.
Well, if you watched our last vlog about the transmission problems on my F350, then you know we this looks really familiar. We were doing this exact same thing last week, exactly a week ago. Just pulling into Buc-ee's and doing our stops. So anyway, that's where we're at. We're gonna stop, get some more fuel, so we have enough to get home. Grab a little bite to eat since it's now 8 o'clock, 10 after 8, and then we will get back on the road. A couple more hours home.
Not today.
All right, we're back at Buc-ee's. Stop number 2. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see me. It's dark out here. We're back. Got the old Volkswagen Atlas back to the house. We're going to get it unloaded here shortly. And we're going to start looking at it tomorrow. Make sure everything we think is wrong with it is actually wrong with it, and see if we can fix it. If not, we'll see what alternative options we have. So anyway, just want to point this out real quick. I saw this just a couple minutes before I got to the house. This is a good reason to pull over and check your stuff on a regular basis. I'd actually been checking this out prior to this, and for whatever reason, this particular strap is extremely tight still. It's still tight, but it rotated on me. I mean, this thing is, I mean, it's tight. So just keep a good eye on your stuff, and don't let it get away from you. So anyway, we're gonna leave it off right here tonight. Looks like my son's home. Everybody's getting home at the same time. It's exactly 11 o'clock, right about the time I thought we'd be getting here. So anyway, we're glad we're home safe. Everything's good to go.
I can't see this thing.
Straight back. Go a little bit to the passenger side. Now the other way. All right. Come back. That's straight. Easy. Straight back. Come on. Come on. Right back. Come on.
All right, guys, we're unloaded. I didn't know we were gonna do that tonight, but we just went ahead and unloaded it. So son's turning around. He's gonna go park it down the way so we don't have it in front of the house. We blocked the whole street up. So Here you go.